Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here from VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Eye, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And today I'm going to talk to you about if you should have a banner in your Etsy shop. Okay, so there are some things that are big decisions and you should take some time to think about because they can have a big impact one way or the other. When it comes to an Etsy banner, not so much. I mean, it's not going to make or break you either way. My advice always is if it adds to your brand, then have a banner. If it's not adding to your brand or helping you in any way, then don't have a banner. Again, it's not a make or break it. It is a useful place to put information sometimes front and center. And if you have Etsy Plus, you have even more flexibility of what you can put in that space and how you can use it to your advantage. But if you're brand new and starting out and you don't know how to make a banner, or if you're not, it's not an area of expertise for you or something that you feel comfortable doing, then I would say wait and focus on the core things in your shop first and then add a banner. Come back to it. Don't let it stop you from moving forward. Sometimes when you're starting new, it's easy to get stuck on the little things, and I consider this a little thing. So don't let having a banner or what you're going to have in that space stop you one way or the other. If you're not sure what to put there, if you're not sure if it's adding to your brand, just skip it for now and come back to it. And if you aren't even sure what having a brand has to do with the success of your business, I do have a free training that covers the basics of this and some other really helpful things as well that I would love to invite you to check out. You can go to VintagepreneurUniversity.com/free training, and I'll link to that below for you in the notes as well. But just to give you an idea of how I utilize my banner space, I do have Etsy Plus. So if I didn't have Etsy Plus, I would just have this front banner here. I do like to use it to invite my customers to check out my VIP club. And if they do so, they can save 10%. So that's a little incentive to do so. I also use my banner to bring out my branding, which is, this is part of my branding here, this kind of farmhouse look. I've changed my brand focus and my niche over the last few months, but I still really like this as part of my brand, so I've left that. And I also use it as an opportunity to tell my visitors right away what it is they can expect in my store. And I also like to, spice it up a little bit for the holidays. So I change it with these little elements that I do in Canva, one of my favorite tools ever. So I'll link that for you in the notes below. You can check it out. I'm also going to link my video that I made to show you how to make a free banner in Canva. It's super simple. But I use the additional space to highlight different things in my shop. Like I talk about how I offer free gift wrapping. And then I show what that, what my gift wrapping looks like. This is actually a little bit more of my paid gift wrapping. And then because I do offer that as well, but I showcase, some of my items and also how a lifestyle photo of how they can be used. So I do like having the banner, but again, it's working for me in my shop. I enjoy it. I like it. But when I first started, my banner didn't look anything like this. I actually paid someone on Etsy to do it for me, which I love supporting other Etsy businesses. But had I known I could go and do it for free on my own, super simply, and have it look professional on my own, I definitely would have gone that route. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure to check out that free training. Again, I'll link to that below for you. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell as well so you get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!